What's going on, you guys, and welcome back to the Orlando Science Center. Having some fun with the physics of sound today, joined by Ivan, of course, and all throughout the month of May. We're highlighting Physics Month, as a matter of fact, so we've got some tuning forks in front of us. And what exactly we're going to be doing?
Yeah, so we're going to be using these tuning forks to check out how sound actually works in different mediums. So normally these tuning forks, as you do, you strike them together or strike them against either your palm or something hard like a surface here, although if you're doing that, you want to be very careful. And the actual tines of the tuning fork will vibrate really, really fast. That's going to compress the air molecules around, and that's what we actually interpret as sound, the compression of air molecules. So we're actually going to listen to what it sounds like. Would you like to do the honors?
Yeah, sure. Hopefully I don't blow out an eardrum.
Let's find out.
All right,
That's right.
So I can feel the vibrations in my hands, and this one I think is vibrating a little bit faster than this one, is what it feels like to me.
That's right. Changing the size or the length of the tines here will actually change the frequency at which you hear the sound. And in fact, to strike them together and put them up to your ears.
Oh, I can hear that like resonation.
That's
yeah.
right, yeah. And for the audience at home, just so they get a sense of what it looks like when we sort of vibrate things together, what I'm going to do is actually going to tap these together and put them in this pie tin full of water here.
Okay.
We're going to watch what actually happens when we put them through. We're going to watch the actual compression of the sound through a different medium in 3, 2, 1. You can actually watch to see as the water vibrates quickly out of the way.
Yeah.
And the faster the tines go, the more the water is going to vibrate. Would you like to give it a try yourself?
Yeah, let's give it a whack. Oh, that's really cool. So you saw like the vibrations in the water, like rippling back and forth.
That's right. And if you actually angle them in just the right way, you're able to actually hear the sound in through the water as well. That's a tricky maneuver.
I'll leave it up to the professional.
Let's see if we can do this here.
I think I heard that.
That's right. Yeah, I heard it too. I don't know if anybody else heard it, but I certainly did. That's what we got here for Physics Month here, and we'll have lots of more fun stuff here for you at the Science Center.
Yeah, a lot to look forward to all throughout the month of May, and I can't wait to see you guys right here at the Orlando Science Center.